This is Novo 10 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns, 4 Orlando Pirates, 1 the Betway Premiership. My brother, how's it?
Mr. Novo,
Kabuyelo.
how's it?
Sandawana.
Yeah.
Hello. My voice is humbly.
Your take on the game today?
I'm not going to talk much about the game, but I saw the performance of Ribeiro, Amazes me namanje.
Yeah.
I still wonder why they were compared Ribeiro no Mufukeng. Why was the competitor Utito no Zwane?
Yeah.
Like we are outclassing them on everything.
Yeah.
Bonilla fans which they came out. But we outclassed them Ngama fans in the pitch.
Yeah.
Like
everywhere.
Yonki into.
Yeah.
Everything was 100%. Remember what I told you on our last interview?
Yeah.
I don't want Orlando Pirates to lose. I don't want them to lose.
Yeah.
Mina ngokuthanda kwami bengifuna sibashaye le Escotin.
Yeah.
Last qedile ngabo already asakhuluma ngayo le.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
Yetito 4. Yazi asafune even a single day. Bas compare nathi. Each and every time. Bas compete nathi, announce this, announce that, and they are the people la abahlala bakhala.
Yeah.
It's announced if ayidlali kahle yibo abaqosha ama coach wethu. Yibo abakhala ngama players wethu. We are very happy. Let's tell them we are very happy. And I told them last time ukuthi we own Orlando. We own Soccer City. Like Loftus ngeke babuye. More than 10 matches. Both and the Chiefs abakazi bawine la.
Yeah.
So siyabatshela Orlando Pirates, Chiefs angeke ibuye kithi. Manje like I just want to put it out there and ngifuna vele lento le ibahlabe. Because every time I send my interviews by Astuga, okay wayibona ama comments wethu. Astuga left right and said manje I'm telling them it's Sundowns single-handedly hiyo yawisa iSoweto. Single-handedly hiyo yaqeda idominance yaseSoweto. Bafethu Sundowns is the #1 team whether they like it or not. Asingenanga kulama league ay7 ngemistake. Aswawinanga ngemistake. Dominance yabona masithenga. Siyathula sithenge. Khalabona nithenga kakhulu nenza this kakhulu mfethu iSundowns world class mfethu bakhuphe emigodi izolo bangena. You know why? Because kufike i-trophy la ye-World Cup. Kufike i-trophy ye-World Cup. Ifikile la basifihla nemedia yabo bangena emgodini abakhulumi next mfethu they envy us. Yabona lento le iSundowns iyenzayo mfethu is one thing they could have done long time ago.
Exactly.
They could have done this long time ago, but mfethu bayasaba. Yes, barana ama teams wabo as if ama sponsor shops or I don't understand. But bangena bomtsipe bathatha le team le bayenza professional. Mfethu Sundowns manje they smack everyone. Ongena la Loftus we smack them. And I just wish ukuthi iCAF Champions League basithrowe nabo futhi laba
Pirates
home and away siyabafuna abakaze basishaya esigodini bayazi how many years bagcina ukusishaya esigodini how many years siyabafuna esigodini nala CAF Champions League asibonge ngqo Ribeiro out yami
athi ngilungisa isigcoko namuhla ngifuna ukukhuluma yabona noma sehambile athi ngilungisa isigcoko namuhla athi ngicale ngala beKaizer Chiefs yazi ukuthi bahlezi bathi iSundowns vele every time mayikhuluma every time ihlezi ikhuluma mayikhuluma mele ifake iKaizer Chiefs sihlale singabafaki vele ngisho basenza ukuthi sikhulume kakhulu mayisenze njani nisikhulumisa kakhulu nasifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu athi ngibayeke yokuqala nga3 phela yokuqala hayi manje bengicela manje yazi apha stadium lapha abasitholela ama waiter manazi angene lapha ama passaging lapha abasilethela utshwala ngeke siloko sishaya up and down lapha abasitholela ama waiter lapha number 2 hi guys ngithi mini Pirates bangathi bayathakatha basenza imithi
le mithi efake la uyibonile afake imithi the whole stadium
lento beyifafaza lapha ibafaka umanyoro bakhulisa utshani ukumanyoro phela bongasimithi ayisingabasukeni ukumanyoro bafaka umanyoro nje phela ngawari ngithi bas3 siyashaya selinduku waya
Thank you so much.